I've spent about an hour or so this morning making a system that would allow me to enter a job description, some requirements for that role and the level that people need to be at. And then you could also upload a candidate's CV. You could do a comparison of the two together, and it would tell you the skills that matched, the skills that partially matched, those where there was a complete gap, and it gives you a description of the suitability for that candidate. And that didn't take that long to do, but to do it right would take a little bit longer. There's a couple of things here. One, I did a test to see whether I would get a job as a Domino's pizza delivery driver. And I think I could do that. But in my CV, it doesn't list having a driving license. But in the script that I've written, when it does the comparison, one of the requirements for that job is to have a driving license. So there's got to be a bit of logic put in above the level of AI. Maybe if you need people to have a driving license, just pull that out as a question. I also did a test where it checked whether I would get a job doing working in an agile environment using Microsoft technologies. And on my CV, it does list out some agile training that I've done, but it doesn't specifically use the word agile. It just says Scrum Alliance certified. So if, when I set this up, I had used a better model to do the comparison between the skills, it would have picked that up. But because I'm doing this cheap and I only want to pay about half a cent for each lookup, I'm using quite a low level model. So what am I talking about here? Easy to do this sort of thing, but with great power comes great responsibility. So yeah, make sure that the matches are logical and always check the results of any AI.